Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my June Boxy charm. I will also be using some of these products to do my makeup today. So if you'd like to see what I got in my Boxy charm for the month of June, please keep watching this video. So I used to get Boxy charm all the time. After a while I canceled it, and last month I decided to start getting it again, and I'm really excited because I did miss it. They send you some really good stuff. All right, so let's start. Let me just make some space on my table because I have a mess that you cannot see, but I see. My beauty room is a whole mess. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing here, and oh, another thing. I did open the box already, but I haven't opened the products or anything like that. So I will be seeing everything with you. This is the first thing that's in there, the biggest thing as well. And it is a Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange eyeshadow palette, I assume. Oh, I don't know what this is. Okay, so it has, I don't know. I guess the little ones are eyeshadows, but what is the middle one? Valid question. Oh, and it has the slip where it has the names on them, this little clear slip. This middle one, oh, oops. I already messed one up. It was falling and I accidentally jabbed my finger into that one. So there's what that one looks like. Oh, it's like, oh, this is like a pressed glitter. See? But when I go to like put it on my hand, it feels like loose glitter. Yeah, I don't like that one. Maybe the rest of them. This middle one is kind of drawing my attention because, let's see. That's kind of cute. It's like a light sheen. I don't know if the light is getting it right, but it's a light sheen. So I'm assuming they are eyeshadows. Well, let me see if there's a little slip in here. What? Where's a little slip? They always put a little slip in here. They always put a little slip, and then in that little slip it says what the products are. Maybe they were in a hurry. Oops. Okay, so it says eyeshadow palette. So I guess it's an eyeshadow palette. This is interesting. Let's see what else. The next thing that's drawing my attention is this. This is the Dr. Brandt Hydro Bionic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So I've already gotten this before in a past Boxy charm. And actually, Ulises used it. I didn't use it. I gave it to him so he could use. It's a recovering sleeping mask. And what this one says, it says, a hydrating recovery sleeping mask powered by a biotic balancing complex to balance skin's naturally occurring flora, soothing peptides along with a restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids and calming ingredients work in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration to the skin. Deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation, bucks in moisture to prevent water loss. So the reason I had given this one to Ulises is because his face was drying out a lot, and this is a recovering sleeping mask, and he would put it on every night, and he really liked it. So I'll probably either give this to him or use it myself this time if he doesn't want it. I did see I got an email from Boxy Charm, and they said that this month, due to like lack of products, they were sending some products that they had already sent in past boxes. And so I guess this was the one I got. I don't mind because Dr. Brandt is so expensive and their brand is good. Okay. Beauty Vault Circadian Lip Liner Trio. Ooh. Oh, and here's the shades right here. Let me open it because I love lip liners. I love, love, love lip liners. Oh, this is like right up my alley. This is me. This one and this one, everything. Let me see. I'm gonna swatch them. Okay, why are they? See, they're so low, I'm gonna have to sharpen them like right away. Why would they do that? Like, why wouldn't they? Ooh, these are creamy. Okay, there's one. This one is Cozy Kira. That's pretty. I like that. This one is Bo Babe. Well, this one was a little sharpened. I like those two. The first one, I think this one right now is the one that's calling my name. And then there's a red one. This one is Nutty Nut. That's a pretty red. I don't think I have a red lip liner. I like that. I'm gonna have to try these out. And what is next? Tuba Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Probiotic skincare. Ooh. Skincare. I want to buy a little mini skincare fridge. They're so expensive though. Like, it's not a necessity. So this is an eye balm, and let me see if it's water-based. Because since I have lashes, I need to use things that are just water-based. A brightening eye balm that instantly hydrates, cools, and fills in the look of lines and wrinkles. Apply directly to the eye area under makeup. Reapply throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. Oh, so I was thinking this was like nighttime skincare, but this one says to use it before your makeup. And it is water-based. I'm gonna use this today. Oh. Am I even gonna know how to use this? What in the world? What is this? Someone help me. Oh, it was just a little cup. Oh, it's a little stick. Look, this is what it is. It's just a little like retractable stick. I'm gonna use this today and see what it does. And it has a little cap, isn't that cute? It's darling. Okay, I'm gonna try that one today. Is that it? Oh, there's one more little thing. Laura Geller, something. Let me open it. Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio. Shades of Nude. Let me see. Ooh. So this is what this one looks like. So it's a blush, bronzer, and highlight. And it says you can use it on your lips and your cheeks. And they are cream. I think I have one cream blush and I never used it. The thing is, I'm so oily for cream stuff. Ooh, but this bronzer, it looks good. Let me see the highlighter. The highlighter, I don't know. That's the highlighter right here. Highlighter, let me do the bronzer. Bronzer. That's pretty. And the blush. Blush. So they're very light, is what I'm seeing. They're not super heavy. And that is it for this month's Boxy Charm. I'm definitely I'm gonna try this palette, this one. And I might not use this one today because it's kind of hot to be using cream products for me. Cream products, to me, I think they work the best on dry skin. But I might be wrong. And I am going to try the eye serum. That sounds very interesting to me. Okay, so I am done with my makeup. I used the eyeshadow palette. I used this color, and then I put this one, and this one. The mattes are very good, and the shimmers are good as well, but with the shimmers, I did struggle a little bit. I had to end up using my finger to put some of the dark color. This is a dark shimmer, and I put that one on my lid, and I did have to use my finger for that. And then for the bottom, I used a very, very dense brush. So I guess you either need to use a dense brush or your finger for the shimmer shadows. And then in my inner corner, I put this one. This one was very pigmented, very beautiful, this shade right here. And so overall, this is a pretty good palette. I don't know how much it is. I wish they would have left that little slip in here because it usually tells you the prices of everything. But I wouldn't say this is like a top palette for me, but it works. I also did use the eye stick thing. It made my eyes feel really good. I was worried that it would burn my eyes because my eyes are pretty sensitive, but it made them feel good. I don't see like a huge major difference under my eyes, so I guess it worked. I don't know, but I did use it. I mean, it made my eyes feel good and they don't look dry. So it did something. And the lip liners I did love. They're very creamy. They do remind me of the Kylie lip liners. Even the packaging and everything. I don't know who copied who, but the formula and everything else, they're pretty similar. So I did really like those. And I think that is all I used. I didn't use the, look how dirty I already have it. Like I barely took this out. This is the cheek palette. I did not use that, and obviously I did not use the skincare, but everything else I did use, and I like these products. I would not say this is my favorite BoxyCharm. We're already in July, so we'll see how the July one is, but this was an okay box. And it might be that they're limited in products right now, so we'll just have to be understanding for this month. But that was it for my what's in my June BoxyCharm and using the products that are in the box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I would really appreciate that. And I will see you guys in my next video. So I'm filming this on a different day because I was getting ready and I decided to use this Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio, and in the shades of nude. And I decided to use it, you know, just give it a shot, see what it does. And oh my goodness, you guys, this is what it looks like. And I used all 3 shades and it's really good. Like, I don't usually use this kind of stuff, but it's really good. You can see my highlight. I already put on a setting powder and powdered foundation to set all my makeup. I'm not even done yet, but look how nice the highlight is peeking through, and the contour is light, but it looks really good. And I'm just surprised you can see it through everything else I piled on. So I just wanted to share that, and that was it. Just a little note, you should definitely give this a try. I underestimated this product and it worked very, very well. That's it.